Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a sling bag. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, AMJ. So first I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So there is a front and a back part. Let me show you the front part first. So if you see the way how they designed the front part is actually pretty cool. They do have the brand logo in the front. If you see the color for this one is all black, but I do have this available in a gray color as well. So if you guys do prefer a gray color, you can get that instead. But you guys notice in the front they do have like 2-button design that's on here, or 2-buckle design. So when you open it up, you don't want to pull it open like this because it's like a magnetic design. Same thing for other one. And then once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So they actually have like a zipper compartment for you guys to open up. So when you guys do open the zipper, that is what the inside looks like. So it is pretty spacious for you guys to put a lot of stuff into if you guys want to. So like if you guys want to put like your phone, your credit card, your power bank or whatever, you can definitely put it inside because it is pretty spacious. So just to give you guys an idea, if I put the power bank inside, this one here is a really big power bank. Once you guys put in the power bank, that's what it looks like inside. So it is pretty spacious. Once you guys zip it back up, you guys can close the front part. Just like that. So it's really cool how I actually had a magnetic design that's on here. So that way it's pretty easy for you to close it up and open back up as well. But you see on the side of the bag, there's like a mesh pocket on the side right here. And then for other side, they do have a pocket as well, but a little bit different design. So when you open up, that's what the inside looks like. So these two pockets are actually pretty small. It's probably not big enough for you to put like a water bottle inside. But if you guys put like small little stuff like a pencil or whatever, you can definitely store inside and the side. And if you guys notice in the top part, they actually have a very nice handle that feels really nice and really comfortable. So if you guys want to carry around like a little bag, you can definitely do that on here. And for the top right here, for the flap option, if you can see there's a little pocket as well. So when you open up, this pocket is not too big. It's probably big enough for you to put like small stuff, like a small power bank, like a small wallet, or even for your cell phone if you guys want to. So if you guys try to put this inside, it may not fit, but let's test it out. Alright, so once you guys put it in, that is the first I can go. You can see it's not that spacious, but it is big enough for you to put like small stuff inside, like your wallet like I mentioned. So once you guys are done, you can zip it back up. And that is the next compartment. For the last compartment on top part, if you guys open it up, if you see the inside, that's actually very spacious. And there's actually a lot of different compartments. So there's some on this side, but if you guys turn around to the other side, there's some more compartment as well. So they have one big one and two small ones where you have to put like pencils or pen, etc. Whereas for the other side right here, they do have a zipper compartment where you have to keep stuff hidden inside right here if you guys want to. So if you guys open up, it's probably big enough for you to put like small stuff like earlier as well. So like your wallet, your phone, and probably even like a power bank. Let's test it out. Alright, so once we put it in, if you can see it doesn't really fit our big power bank that we got right here. So as long as what we guys put inside is smaller than this power bank, they definitely will fit inside. But if it is bigger than this power bank, they will not fit. So once you guys are done, zip it back up. And then for the next compartment right here, right next to the zipper compartment, it's actually pretty spacious. So if you guys put like your iPad, your tablet, or etc., you can definitely put it inside right there to keep it all organized. But if you see the inside right there, it is pretty spacious. So you can definitely put a lot of stuff inside. So that is what the inside looks like. Let's close back up. When you guys come onto the back, this is what the back part looks like. So right here, we see they have a strap option for you guys to put it around your shoulder if you guys want to. And we guys look at the material that's on the strap. It's like a breathable mesh material. So that way if you guys sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. But you definitely will get that all day comfort and support when you guys do put this part on. If you guys notice in the bottom, there's two different options for you guys to actually hook it. You can definitely hook it on this side or you can hook it on this side. So it depends on which side you put it on, left or right. And for the strap option, they do give you guys an option to actually adjust it to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. Let me just put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'll put it in the front first to show you guys what it actually looks like in the front. So once you guys put it on from the front, this is what the front part looks like. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. It's not that big of a bag, it is pretty small. So this is what the part looks like in the front. If you guys turn to the back, this is what the part looks like on the other side. So I mentioned for the strap option, if it's like too tight or too loose, you do have the option to make it looser or tighter based on your own preference. So if I do loosen it up, you can see how much looser the product looks once you guys do loosen it up. So if I turn around to the back, this is what the product looks like from the back. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. And the cool thing about the sling bag is the fact that it does give you guys the option to use it in many different ways. So this is only one way for you to use it. Another option for you to use it is to put it onto your shoulder. So just like this. So once you guys take it out, if you guys just put it over your shoulder like this, you guys can do that as well. And when you guys put it like this, it actually feels pretty nice and actually looks really stylish as well. So whether if you guys want to use it casually or if you guys want to use it to go to school, you guys can definitely use it however you guys want to. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer question of whether or not it should work or not. So for this bag, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more in deep on these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality sling bag. There's all the different specs and design that's on this bag right here that I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.